Hey, what's up, Wing Holder? So today video is going to be very special for Wing Holder because this is live price prediction and very critical situation, my friend. And this time in Wing Coin, absolutely, my friend, very badly fails down. And this is the end of month. Therefore, my friend, all cryptocurrencies very badly fails down. So the reason is what, my friend, I told you in this video. But first of all, my friend, if we talk about the name of Wing coin, my friend, Wing coin is changed name to Winklink. The CEO changed the Wing coin name to Winklink. So therefore, I inform you, my friends, to the name has changed now. But this is the old Wing, my friends. Remember, this is old coin. So this time you can see here, my friend, the change occur is a negative. So therefore, I will decide to make this very urgent video for all of you, my friend, to understand to why they fails down, what we do, sell, hold, or buy, and you are be safe from more loss. So please understand, if you just watch this 2-minute video, I hope you better understand and you or decide to this is selling time or buying time. So let's get started the Winklink coin, my friends, prediction. Before I get started, I request you, my brother, to please click the subscribe button. If you just subscribe this channel, my brother, I guide you, I personally guide you, my friend. If you want to message me on Instagram, absolutely, the link is available on my channel. Please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. I guide you every time. Thank you so much for subscription. Okay, this time, if you can see, my friend, I already opened the 3 days chart, my friend. In the last 3 days, they're going up like a rocket. Everybody want a very short time and very good profit. So therefore, everybody know to at the end of the month people starting selling. So therefore, this time you can see here but 2 or 3 days before, my friend, people starting buying because the price is going up. So therefore, my friend, people starting buy. But you can see here immediately after that, my friend, in the last 30 hours, my friend, they've completely fails down. You can see here. So this is the, my friend, you can see here, if I draw, this is the triangle, my friend. You can see here they completely straight and this line. But here is the resistance, my friend. And sometimes they cross the resistance line, then absolutely, my friends, they are in the profit. So they are good profit, my friend. This time also they are in the profit. So if you are already holder, my friend, then I think they fails down. I told you, my friends. So this time after that fails down, because this is the end of month and everybody know to this at the end of month people starting selling. So therefore the price is going down. I think for short time you sell it, and after that, my friend, take again buy it, then absolutely you are right and they give you very good profit. So Wing holder, please hold it and wait for the end of this month, just 1 day or 2 days, and I hope they give you very good profit. So Wing holder, my prediction is that, my friend, to upcoming days they fails down, and after that, my friends, they take a very high jump. So please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, Wing holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.